Let me show you how to tie this beautiful drap style that you can tie for your everyday look. So I have my hair. I'm going to be using it as my bun at the back instead of using an added material. So I just folded my hair in and take my scarf from back to front and make one single knot. Then I went in and take another knot like I'm creating a chain loop, chain links. Then I have like double links like that. So see the way I arrange it, and then I take it to the back and tuck in the excess material. And guys, that's my first look. Isn't that simple and beautiful? That is going to be style number one. But because of the dress that I have on, I'm trying to create something that looks more similar, that complement my dress. So I went in with a very small Ankara fabric, create a twist, and then tuck in the excess. And I have my style number two. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I love you all.